Hello, my friends. I am Sri Arjun. Today's topic is Transcendental Consciousness and Business Empowerment. There is a very beautiful story. One day, a monk said that flag is moving. Another monk said, No, air is moving. In the meantime, their guru came and said, Nothing is moving. Your animal consciousness is moving. What is animal consciousness? Sleeping, dreaming, and awakening. These three grades of consciousness is animal consciousness. The possibilities of life is very limited here. Stress, strain, and sufferings are there. Think deeply. Our human minds are also trapped and tossing in this three grades of consciousness. But human mind is blessed with power to transcend that three mode of consciousness and reach to the fourth grade, the field of transcendental consciousness, that is known as field of infinite possibilities. Innumerable forces are there. There is no mistakes and failures. With that innumerable forces, you can empower in your business without any mistakes and failures. This is not at all dogmas or philosophies of the past. It is the science and technology of quantum physics, physics of consciousness. In our Transcendental Consciousness workshop, we just take your mind to the field of Transcendental Consciousness. For details of this subject and our forthcoming workshop, you can text me or call me. My number is given below in the description. And the links of my blog and other social handles also given below in the description. Please stay tuned with us for our forthcoming workshop. Namaste.